Hi, I'm a carbohydrate. The monomer of a carbohydrate is a monosaccharide. Wait, what's a monomer?
Monomers are small pieces that, when linked together, create polymers. Monosaccharides are the monomers that create carbohydrates. Examples of these are glucose, galactose, and fructose. Do you like disaccharides?
Well, what do you mean?
You know, like lactose and stuff like that?
A disaccharide is two monosaccharides linked together. Maltose, sucrose, and lactose are three examples of a disaccharide. Maltose is two glucose linked together, and wheat is an example of that. Sucrose is one glucose, one fructose, also known as table sugar. Lactose is one glucose and one galactose, also known as milk sugar. Oh, that was definitely Polly.
Yup, that's me. I'm the polysaccharide. A polysaccharide is many monosaccharides linked, such as starch. But starch is like bread and pasta. And glycogen, it's muscle and liver. And cellulose is plants and trees.
The chemical formula for a carbohydrate is CH2O, also known as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. The ratio for a carbohydrate is 6-12-6, also known as 1-to-1. Carbohydrates can be found in plant cell walls, also vegetables, fruits, sugars, and flour. Did you know carbohydrates are also found in animals?
An animal? Aren't animals protein? That's weird. This has protein in it too. Proteins are polypeptides. They're compounds made of small carbon compounds, amino acids, which are proteins. It's 15% of your total body mass. That includes the skin, the muscles, and the hair, and your nails. It helps to transport substances. Macromolecules, amino acids, are made of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Carbon forms 4 covalent bonds.
Nucleic acids are one of the 4 macromolecules. The monomer of a nucleic acid are nucleotides. Nucleotides contain these 3 groups: phosphate, sugar, and nitrogen base. Nucleic acids are natural occurring chemical compounds that store and transmit genetic information. They play an important role in protein synthesis. The 2 main classes of nucleic acids are deoxyribonucleic acid, which is DNA, and ribonucleic acid, which is RNA.
What about adenosine triphosphate?
Well, adenosine triphosphate is the energy molecule in nucleic acid.
Lipids are one of the 4 macromolecules. The monomer of a lipid are fatty acids and glycerol. Lipids make up fats, oils, and waxes. They're made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They're used to store long-term energy. Triglyceride is an example of a lipid, and it is stored in the fat cells of your body. The structure consists of fatty acid tails, where each tail is a chain of carbon atoms bonded to hydrogen by a single or a double bond. A single bond is a saturated fat. A double bond is an unsaturated fat. And a polyunsaturated fat is a fat with more than one double bond. Phospholipids are responsible for structure and function of the cell membrane. Lipids are also hydrophobic, which means they do not dissolve in water. Steroids are another example of a lipid, and this includes substances like cholesterol and hormones.
If you're ever wondering what the elements of the macromolecules are, you can sing this little song.
Joe,
John, Chums,
Joe,